Just over 4 years ago, Smoke Monster shared some awesome coffee machine cleaning tricks with me, and they worked so well that now I want to share them with you. Start by cleaning the pot itself using something called Cafiza. It's advertised as an espresso machine cleaner, but that, we're using it on a basic coffee pot. Mine's not too dirty, but you can definitely see staining on all sides. Next, carefully measure the exact amount of Cafiza recommended on the side of the bottle and add it to your coffee pot. Then add water. I usually fill it about halfway, then stir it around a bit. Next, use a kitchen brush to scrub the inside. Before I bought a kitchen brush, I actually used a large plastic spoon with a paper towel wrapped around it. It wasn't as good as the brush, but it got the job done. Either way, really get in there and scrub it all, like Voltar in a bathtub. Then, put the top on your pot and shake it all up pretty good. You'll also want to fill the pot up all the way with water, which I forgot to get footage of. But now just leave it to sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. After it's done soaking, give it another stir, then empty it out. I actually like to turn it upside down so the solution runs through the top as well, for at least a little bit. Then I remove the top and dump the rest out. See that coffee-colored water coming out? Now rinse it out really good. I descaled the whole machine after doing the pot, both so you could clean them both at the same time, but also to ensure all of the Cafiza is washed out. Check this out. My coffee pot looks brand new. The first time I did this, I was so surprised I started cleaning my friends' pots too, just to see if it always works this well, and it does. I wish I took before and after pics of some of the other ones I did. The after pics all look like this, but some of the before pics were super gross. So there you go. Cafiza is absolutely my go-to for cleaning my coffee pot. Oh, and I think you could use it for espresso machines too. Okay, so now that our pot is clean, let's use Descal to descale the machine itself. As with Cafiza, the Descal bottle has comically small text on it. Anyway, place your freshly cleaned and rinsed pot in your machine as well as the other components. Make sure to at least rinse out the other pieces as well. Now add a bit of water, then once again add a carefully measured amount of Descal. Then fill your machine to just under the max amount. I wouldn't go all the way as you don't want anything to spill over. Now power on your coffee machine and let it run all the way through. After it's done, empty it all out. After this first run, even though the water is clear, it smells like coffee. I wonder how much was building up inside the machine. Now you need to make sure the Descal is all cleaned out by immediately running another cycle with just water. Once again, fill up the machine to just under max, pop on the lid and let it run. Do not skip these extra rinse cycles as they're necessary to clean out all the remaining Descal. After the second run, it smelled much less like coffee. Oh, and I like dumping it upside down so the hot water runs one more time through the top, hopefully cleaning that even more as well. Now, you'll never guess what we do next. That's right, one more run of just water. The final pot smelled even less like coffee, and all this seems really clean. Lastly, I just leave it out to dry overnight. I'm honestly not sure why I do this. Maybe it just makes me feel like the job is complete? Who knows? Anyway, after that full cleaning, I could honestly taste a difference in my coffee. This is definitely worth it. Cheers, everyone.